Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm going to be going over my movie poster that I created this week. And I'll start off by showing you the thumbnail sketches that I created. This was one of them, basically like a TV set with showing basically like cell phone, food, money, basically like the daily addictions that most people have but don't really think about or realize. So that was one of them. The other one, it's pretty similar, but it's supposed to be more of a like a prescription bottle, and instead of a medicine in the bottle, it was kind of just just like the addictions that everyone has. And I decided to go with this one, and this is what I came up with. So you can see here, I found a medicine bottle uh, image online. Basically, all these images I found online and kind of put them together and placed them properly to just to fit well with the with to look like a movie poster. I had originally tried to get a picture of a TV set and then kind of include all these things in the TV set, but that wasn't really working too well. So that's why I kind of went with this idea here. Decided to name the movie Addictions, and this is where the actor's name would go. And just each picture, I just placed it. It took me quite a while. I wasn't really gonna do it this way. I would have rather had it. I guess originally I had planned to have all these things kind of inside the bottle, but I couldn't really find a good image or come up with any a good like pill bottle. So I just figured, just to make it the label, kind of like those are the addictions that people tend to like use every day rather than drugs. So I'm just kind of like comparing stuff like this, money, phones, cigarettes, stuff like that, to medicines and stuff like that. So let me know what y'all think. Any ideas of anything of how I could make it better? I would really appreciate it.